check this out. We've even got somebody up here with some Flex Seal trying to stop some leaks. So that's just garbage. The other thing we're noticing is, just show you some of these seams that people have done. This right here gives silicone a really bad name. You can see the cracks in here. You can see how this stuff's starting to tear back and come loose. This stuff here is super flaky. So the reason a lot of this is happening is this is an improper silicone product. We need to have a product that has fibers inside of it, but is going to make sure it stays together. Also, the roof is extremely dirty, and so it's apparent to us that whoever's doing these repairs isn't washing or priming the roof before they begin. There's a lot of steps being missed. And then this should have some sort of like top coat over it, but there's not anything like that on the entire roof. So while silicone can get a really bad name, if you use the right products and have the right knowledge, we can do this entire roof and make sure this thing never leaks anywhere for the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. And that's a guarantee.